Hi, my name is Janet. I'm pursuing Masters in Food Science in UCC. I landed here on September 1st, 2019. My friend Neil asked me to share my experience here in Ireland about the accommodation, the part time, and about the university. For me to find accommodation was not that difficult because I had my family, friends, and my senior who was staying here in Ireland, and they helped me to find accommodation. Other of my friends had a really tough time to find accommodation. Okay, before coming here, I suggest you that you do some research on different sites like Hosting Power. It's a wonderful site, and other like Rent.ie, Daft, and it's better you contact your professors, your friends who are staying in Ireland, so they will help you to find accommodation. And I feel after coming here to find accommodation is a bad idea because you will land up in a hostel for 2 weeks or so, and you cannot stay there for long time. Like you can just stay only for 2 weeks, and even if you want to stay little more, if it is already booked, it will be more difficult for you to extend it. Then part-time, I did not do my part-time in the first sem because my course was little hectic and I did not have that much of time, and it was really difficult for me to balance between my studies and part-time. Then once I finished my exams, I started searching for part-time. I was working in a Chinese restaurant for some time. Then it was not matching with my schedule and it was difficult for me to travel to that place, so I had to leave it. Then after 1 month I got into a Domino's, and to find part-time it is not that easy here. You can work in cafes, restaurants, library. Some people, a few of my friends have got into in universities to teach the juniors, like bachelor's students, like lab technicians or so. And if you have to find part-time, it is not easy because some restaurants, you can just go like walk in. You have to drop your CV to the restaurants, or you can apply online. I nearly applied to some 10 restaurants and finally got into one. And if you have influence and if you know your friends who are working there, so it will be helpful, and it is better to go and talk directly to the managers, so the chance of getting job is high. Part-time is helpful because you can make a little money which will help you to pay the rent here. And in Ireland, the rent is little more expensive. It will be between 400 to 600 or 700 euros. So if you get in part-time around 800 euros, you can pay your rent, you can save some money, and you can pay for your living expense as well. Then Indians who are coming here, before coming here, I did not know what things have to take, and few of my friends were staying here. I asked them what to take and what to buy. They send me a list and I bought few of things. You don't have to worry about Indian things like all items like pickle or whatever, the masalas, everything. You will get it here. There are Asian stores where you will get everything, but it is little expensive. But for 1 month or 2 months, you can get it from your place when you come. Like the basic things, like the authentic masalas, which you do not get it here. And you have many supermarkets like Tesco, Lidl, Aldi, where you get a lot of things. And people tell Ireland the things are expensive, but no, it's not that expensive. So about my course, it's a 1-year course where we have total 9 modules, and out of that 7 were core modules and 2 were elective modules. We can choose any of them which we are interested in. The elective modules, there are many. You can attend the classes and later on you can decide which module you want to select. We were 9 of them, and 2 of them were Indians. In the first semester, we had more of academics, and the second semester we had much of laboratory work where we were given topics and we had to work on that. If you have any new idea, you can give it to your supervisor, and they will help you to work on that. And the professors are really good, very experienced, and they'll support you in every step. And UCC has lot of facilities. The laboratories are well equipped. You have all of the instruments whichever you want, and if you want to learn, you can ask permission from your supervisors and you can learn it. Overall, it is a wonderful course to study, so I recommend it. And about the job opportunities, I just finished my first sem, and I'm in my second sem right now. I just finished my submitting my literature review, and I've started with my project as well. So far I have got 2 interview calls, and the interview here are different when compared to that were in India. I'm a fresher, and I got interview for graduate roles, and here the interview step is like, first you will be having a telephone call, then you will have a face-to-face interview, and it depends on different course, different companies. And I'm waiting for the reply, and hoping for the best. But it depends on you, how you approach, how you apply for jobs, and it depends on people. There is career service in UCC which will help you to build your resume, and you don't have to worry about, you just have to book appointment before going there, and they will help you to write a cover letter as well. So I think whoever is coming here from India, they have to use all these facilities well, and before applying for a job they should change their CVs, and they have to change their CVs according to the job description, job roles. Whenever they're applying, they cannot apply the same CV everywhere. Yeah, this is what I want to tell, my experience here. But it was good. Yeah, I was homesick and all, but now I'm fine. Have made a few friends here, and you don't have to worry about anything. Yeah, few days you will feel that, but it's fine. To conclude, I recommend a master's in food science, and this is my second master's actually. I have my first master's in analytical chemistry, so it is like an advantage for me to find a job. So, but yeah, I say food science is also really good if you're coming to Ireland, and Ireland is very safe, clean, and very nice place, and you find very good people who are nice, friendly. So yeah, I recommend you all, whoever is willing to come here.